Have you ever imagined learning English inside a jungle? No books, no boring grammar, just the sounds of nature guiding you. What if this roar could help you speak better English? What if every chirp, hiss, and rustle could unlock the secrets of English pronunciation? Today, we're entering a world where the jungle becomes your classroom. Welcome to the English Jungle. Part 1. Roars and Vowels, 040 to 140. Background, Deep Lion Roar. Narration, listen to that roar. That deep, powerful sound teaches us the English vowel OR. Words like roar, law, more, before. Repeat after me. Pause for learner. Roar, more, before. Monkey calls echoing, ooh, ooh, ooh. Now, high up in the trees, hear the monkey's playful sound. It gives us the long vowel oo. Blue, food, you, moon. Say it with me. Pause. Blue moon, food for you. Quick bird chirp. Next, the tiny chirp of a jungle bird. Short, sharp, quick. This is the relaxed vowel I. Big, listen, in, this. Remember, short and quick, just like the chirp. Part 2. Jungle consonants, 140 to 230. Leaves rustling softly. Narration, listen to the whispering leaves. That's the English sh sound, like sh. Shine, special, sure. It's soft, smooth, like telling someone to shh. Snake hissing. Now meet our snake friend. Its hiss gives us two sounds, S and Z. S, snake, sound, see. Z, zoo, buzz, leaves. Touch your throat and feel the difference. No vibration for S, but buzzing for Z. Twig snapping sound. Finally, hear the twig snap? That's your T and K sounds, sharp, quick, clean. Top, cat, king, rock. Part 3, From Jungle to English, 230 to 320. Background softens, mysterious tone. Narration. Now, something amazing happens. When you train your ears using jungle sounds, you can survive in the real English jungle, the fast, connected speech of native speakers. For example, in class, you hear, what are you going to do? But in real life, it sounds like, what you gonna do? Oh dear! Your brain won't panic anymore. You'll hear the T, catch the sh, and decode every sound, just like separating a single chirp from the noisy jungle. Outro and call to action, 320 to 400. Music shifts to uplifting, adventurous. Narration. The jungle has taught us that English isn't just words in a book. It's a soundscape, alive, powerful, and everywhere around you. Remember, roars teach you or. Monkey calls teach you oo. Chirps teach you I. Rustles and hisses shape your consonants. Snaps give rhythm to your speech. Your journey to English fluency starts with your ears. Listen carefully and you'll discover English hiding in every sound. Pause, soft jungle ambience. Narration, smiling tone. If you enjoyed this adventure, like, share, and subscribe, because the jungle is full of secrets, and we've only just begun.